Good day everyone, I am Michael Jhon D, Ibloguen, and we are going to talk about the sulfonamides. What are sulfonamides? Sulfonamides are the drugs that are derived from sulfanilamide, a sulfur-containing chemical. Most sulfonamides are antibiotics, but some are prescribed for treating ulcerative colitis. Sulfonamide antibiotics work by disrupting the production of dihydrofolic acid, a form of folic acid that bacteria and human cells use for producing proteins. Classification based on clinical uses. Number 1. Sulfonamides are used for systemic infections. We have short-acting and long-acting. A short-acting drug is effective immediately after administration and requires repeated doses on a regular basis for long-term treatment. For example, short-acting insulin is injected several times throughout the day because it is only effective for a short period of time. Long-acting. Slowly effective after initial dosage but maintaining its effects over time due to slow absorption and persistence in tissues before excretion. Number 2. Sulfonamides used to treat UTIs. Number 3. Gut-acting sulfonamides. Number 4. Sulfonamides used topically. They are used to treat eye infections, and they are used to treat burn and wounds. Number 5. Potentiated sulfonamides. Example of sulfonamides include sulfadiazine, sulfamethisole, sulfamethoxazole, sulfasalazine, sulfisazole, and various high-strength combination of 3 sulfonamides. Sulfo drugs kill bacteria and fungi by interfering with cell metabolism. For its mode of action, antibacterial sulfonamides target a bacterial metabolic pathway as competitive inhibitors of the enzyme dihydroteurate synthetase or DHPS. Dihydroteurate synthetase activity is vital in the synthesis of folate, and folate is required for cells to make nucleic acids, such as DNA or RNA. So if the DNA molecules cannot be built, the cell cannot divide, and the effect is bacteriostatic rather than bactericidal. For the therapeutic uses, sulfonamides or sulfa drugs are a group of medicines used to treat bacterial infections. They may be prescribed to treat urinary tract infections, bronchitis, eye infections, bacterial meningitis, pneumonia, ear infections, severe burns, traveler's diarrhea, and other conditions. Sulfonamides work by preventing the growth of bacteria in the body. They come in different formulations and may be taken as an oral, topical, vaginal, or ophthalmic medicine. Thank you so much and stand by for the next reporting.